Hi all. Okay, so I got these microphones that came with this Sony recorder, and I would like to compare it to another microphone which is called ESM-CS3. Okay, so let's unpack this microphone and see how it goes. Manual and microphone. You don't need anything else, I guess, but the important thing about this microphone, you see it is golden, the connection, and here it is just look like a regular silver. What is most interesting, these microphones are stereo. What kind of stereo I can have in such a tiny microphone if I'm moving from here to here? This is very strange. Anyway, now you can hear my camera, my voice through my camera. I'm using a Canon G7X, and now we'll compare the sound first to this microphone and then to this microphone. So let's go ahead and connect it. I've already done such a video, but the question is how this one compared to this one. Okay, so let's power it up. Something like this, powering on. Okay. So now you hear the microphone on my G7X. And now I'm using this microphone that came with the Sony recorder, the simple microphone. And now I'm using let's say the higher quality microphone, or the more expensive, I would say. So this is the new mic.